G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Most people love bacon and garlic, but I'm going to put it all into one neat little package. So join me today as I make my version of bacon garlic stuffed mushrooms. So we're going to start this off with a large mushroom, or 4 regular sized mushrooms that are ideal for stuffing. So I'm going to remove the stem first. And I'm going to place this aside, so I'm going to chop it up and add it with our fry pan. And while we're here, just remove the gills, the black bits from the inside. Now you can put these in the bin, but I always like to put them in my compost bin because they're fantastic. So once it's all nice and cleaned out, just make sure we get it all. You don't have to remove them, but I choose to. So it's all nice and clean, and this goes straight in the compost bin. Okay, so next I've got a fry pan on the stove and I have it on a medium to high heat. So first I'm going to add some butter. Now I'm using butter because it just comes down to flavour. You can also use some olive oil if you like. Then to that, our stem that I've chopped up and some diced up bacon. And I'll leave a list of ingredients in the description below. So we're just going to cook all this over medium to high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until the bacon is nice and crispy. And while I'm crisping up this bacon, don't forget to check out my links down below to my Facebook and Instagram. So it's facebook.com/Todd's Kitchen or Instagram, which is ToddM007. As you'll see from the bar just down below here. Okay, so our bacon is pretty much crispy now. It's up to you on how crispy you want it. Next, we're going to add our garlic. Now you want a minimum of 4 cloves of diced garlic, but I love garlic, so I'm going to add about 5, give or take. Make that 6 or 7. I really love garlic. And I'm going to turn the heat off now, but we're just going to continuously cook this for about another minute or so, just to soften up that garlic. And it also helps bring out that lovely garlic flavour. So make sure the heat goes off now because we don't want to overcook anything. We just want that garlic to soften. Okay, so once our garlic's softened, we're going to just season it with just some salt and some pepper. Then some chopped up parsley. And finally some cheese. Garlic and cheese, trust me, it works. And with bacon too. And we're just stirring it to combine, and of course make sure that the heat is still off, just so we don't burn anything. And we want that cheese to just melt just inside so it's nicely combined. And that's it, just take it straight off the heat. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got our mushroom on a baking tray lined with non-stick baking paper. So be it 1 mushroom or 4, we're just going to fill them up with our lovely garlic bacon mixture. And just like bacon, you can never have enough cheese. So I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit more on top. And it's ready for the oven. How simple is that? Okay, so what we have to do now is place this into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit for about, say, 15 minutes. But because this is a larger mushroom, I'm going to make it 20 minutes. But for the regular size mushrooms that you use for stuffing, 15 minutes is perfectly fine. Garlic, bacon, mushrooms by themselves are fantastic, but when you shove them all into one big mushroom or smaller ones, you'll be salivating for more. And would you look at how delicious that stuffed mushroom has turned out. I just love the smell of garlic filling the room. And you can also smell the bacon and that melted cheese. It really is a perfect combination. Now, baked mushrooms by themselves are fantastic, but shoving it all into this one big mushroom, and again, you can use smaller mushrooms if you choose. I just happened to come across these big ones and I couldn't resist. So the ingredients listed down below are for 4 standard mushrooms that you'd use for stuffing. But either way, this combination of the bacon, the cheese, the garlic, all mixed into this one big mushroom, honestly, you have to give this a go, whether it's a big one or small one, because I guarantee you'll say it tastes simply delish.